My dear church family, in 1 year of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have observed the production of 3 different vaccines. This feels like a medical miracle, but despite that, we are still experiencing over 2,000 deaths a day. However, because of the improvements that we have made in fighting the pandemic, this week, the CDC issued a new guidelines as many people get vaccinated.
With more than 2 million vaccinations a day, tonight, hope among the vaccinated that life will soon return to normal.
Absolutely. Even just to go to the store, it's like you don't have to be as fearful.
I'm looking forward to visiting my grandkids. Now we can play games and run around in the backyard.
The latest CDC guidance suggests that's a definite possibility.
If grandparents have been vaccinated, they can visit their daughter and her family, even if they have not been vaccinated, so long as the daughter and her family are not at risk for severe disease.
People are considered fully vaccinated 2 weeks after receiving the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine or after the second dose of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. The CDC says those who are fully vaccinated can visit others who are fully vaccinated indoors without a mask or social distancing. Visit with unvaccinated people from a single household without a mask if those people are at low risk for COVID, younger with no comorbidities. If vaccinated people are exposed to someone who's COVID positive, there should be no reason to quarantine if they're asymptomatic. So far, the evidence suggests it's unlikely that fully vaccinated people spread the virus. But because that's not definite, the CDC is still urging vaccinated people to wear masks in public, like grocery stores, to protect the unvaccinated and encourage others to do the same.
We see the light at the end of the tunnel, but we're still in the tunnel. It's not that hard to wear a mask. Just wear a mask. Assume everybody you come in contact with is probably infected with this virus, because it's possible, and protect yourself.
And with spring break season now underway, the CDC continues to advise against travel for now.
Therefore, everyone, whether vaccinated or not, should continue to avoid medium and large-sized gatherings, as well as non-essential travel.
Yeah, nearly 60,000 new cases every single day, 2,000 deaths every single day, and the new variants are in every state in the country. So the CDC says the risk remains very high.
And I want to remind you that we are starting in-person indoor services today. And as we begin to gather together again to worship God in our sanctuary, because the risk is very high, we will continue to observe the various public health practices that we have been doing. Social distance, wearing of masks, and of course, good hygiene. I hope to see you in church today or someday soon. God bless you.